Hello everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy, and today I'm doing a kick session using a kick paddle. This is my lovely assistant, my husband Adam, for those of you that haven't met him before. And yes, I'm basically just going to go over kick drills that we can do on using the kick pad. So, first one being a round kick, going through the paddle. So we're going to come up with that round kick, and then through, power through to the other side. And again, going through the paddle all the way over, turning the hips, and then coming through your target, okay? So let's do a few of those on both sides. Good. Next one we're going to do is the re-chamber. So exactly the same kick. We're going to kick out that round kick, pull it back, re-chamber and down. So from here, I'm going to chamber, extend, and then retract. Okay? Here and down. Good. Following on from that, we're going to do our hook kick. Way in which we do this, kicking leg in the front, like so. In my fighting stance, ready to attack. I'm going to step my back leg up to meet my front, hook kick round through my target, and then down, okay? Again, from here, step up, hook, and then down. Now, if you're comfortable with that step, feel free to do a shuffle step, which is just knocking, back leg knocks the front leg into that shuffle step like so. Okay? Let's do a few of those on either side. Good. Moving on from the hook kick, we're going to go into our spin hook kick. So this time, kicking leg in the back, we're going to come over that back shoulder, pivot on our bottom foot, look over the shoulder at my target. It's only then when I can see that target, I'm going to bring that leg up into my spin hook kick. And again, here, spot the target, come around like so. If I don't see my target first, from here, I'm going to come round. The kick will come out too early. You won't reach your target. So make sure you spot, pivot, spot, kick. I'm going to pivot, spot my target, kick, like so. Let's go. A few of those on each side, spin hook kicks. Next one we're going to look at is start looking into double kicks. So the first one we're going to do is double round kick. We're actually only going to hit the pad on the second kick. From here, we're going to come round with that low round kick first. Here, re-chamber, and then hit and follow through on the second one. One more time. We're going to do that low round kick, re-chamber, extend through the pad, and then follow through to the opposite side of your opponent or target. Let's go. A few of those on each side. Next one we're going to look at is axe kick, round kick. So maneuver your pad to wherever you feel is good for you. We're going to do the axe kick over the top of the pad, put the leg down on the floor, and then come up as fast as we can for that round kick. So from here, axe kick over the pad, and then come back up for that round kick. Just show you one slow. From here, axe kick over. As soon as that foot touches down, we're going to turn the hips straight back up for that round. Let's go. Feel on either side. Okay, so moving on. Next kick we're going to do hook kick, round kick. For this one, we're going to go hook kick over the pad and then hit on the round kick. So we're coming through, hooking over the pad, chamber in, keeping that chamber up nice and high, re-extending for the round kick. I'll show you one more time on the other side. Here, hooking over that pad, coming through with that round kick. Let's go. Feel on either side. And the last double kick we're doing in this section, and to finish up this little training segment, is round kick, spin hook kick. Now with those, we're kicking on alternate legs. First one, the round kick, we're going to place that foot down, look over our back shoulder, come round for the spin hook. Okay, and then going back the other way, round kick, place that foot down, spin hook kick, coming round on the opposite leg. Now, gauge your distance from your target, from your opponent. So after that round kick here, I'm not going to step in to my target. I'm going to be way too close to release the spin hook. So from here, after that round kick, I take it back on itself, pivot, and then the distance is perfect for the spin hook. So make sure you adjust your distance correctly in order to reach your opponent, or in this case, in order to reach your target. So let's finish up today with a few of those on either side. Round kick, spin hook kick.